Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen upgrades with a review of the Pfister Barulli F5297BARGS kitchen faucet. If you're looking to enhance both the functionality and style of your kitchen, you're in the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tips. Now, let's get into it. Are you looking for a new kitchen faucet? Look no further than the Pfister Barulli F5297BARGS. This faucet is designed to provide you with a sleek and modern look for your kitchen. Pfister Barulli F5297BARGS kitchen faucet offers several specific features that make it a popular choice. Kitchen's faucet with pull-down sprayer, advanced spray head docking system, elegant forward handle design underscores ergonomic function and helps where space behind the faucet is limited. Includes decorative deck plate and coordinating soap dispenser. Advanced spray head docking magnet fit uses powerful magnetic docking to keep your spray head firmly secured. Auto align ensures your spray head aligns correctly all on its own. Pull-down sprayer features toggle button to select spray or stream modes conveniently in the palm of your hand. Wipe clean nozzles allows you to wipe away mineral deposits with the swipe of a finger. High arc spout features high arc spout for added clearance and reach. 360-degree rotating spout swivels to allow for greater versatility like hand washing delicates and sink cleaning. Spot defense finish. Spot defense provides extra protection to help prevent the daily buildup of fingerprints, smudges, and water spots. Looks cleaner longer than other faucet finishes. Less cleaning and wiping needed. No more leaks features Forever Seal advanced ceramic disc valve technology that will never leak. Also includes 36-inch integrated PE/RT supply lines with female fittings. No need to purchase separate water supply connection lines. Quick to install. Fast Connect reduces installation time and guarantees a secure connection to water supply lines. Includes convenient quick install tool to speed up installation. Here are some pros and cons of the Pfister Barulli F5297BARGS kitchen faucet. Pros: stylish design, functional, easy to install, good value, spot defense finish, forever see. Cons: expensive, limited warranty. If you're looking for a new kitchen faucet, the Pfister Barulli F5297BARGS is an excellent option. This faucet is designed to provide you with a modern and sleek look for your kitchen while also providing excellent performance. The faucet is easy to install and features a durable brass construction, making it a great option for anyone looking for a long-lasting kitchen faucet. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the Pfister Barulli F5297BARGS kitchen faucet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement videos.